Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to play Brawl Stars with a Nintendo controller. While Brawl Stars doesn't natively support controllers, you can still enjoy the game with one by using a mapping application. This guide will help you set everything up so you can get started quickly. Make sure your Nintendo controller has plenty of battery life before we begin, so you don't run out of power mid-game. First, let's get your Nintendo controller connected to your mobile device. Go into your phone or tablet settings and turn on Bluetooth. Next, find the small sync button on the top edge of your Nintendo controller, near the charging port. Press and hold this button until the green indicator lights on the bottom start flashing. Your device should then display Pro Controller in the Bluetooth list. Tap it to pair. Now that your controller is paired, it's time to map the controls. Brawl Stars requires a third-party mapping app, such as Octopus or Mantis Gamepad, which you can download from your App Store. Open your chosen mapping application and launch Brawl Stars from within it. The app will provide an overlay. Drag its virtual buttons onto the game's on-screen controls, then press the corresponding physical buttons on your Nintendo controller to assign them. With your controls mapped, you're ready to play. For optimal performance, assign character movement to the left joystick. Place your basic attack and ultimate abilities on easily accessible face buttons, like A, B, X, or Y. You can also use the right joystick for precise aiming of certain attacks. Remember, you can always adjust your button layout within the mapping app to find what feels most comfortable and effective for your playstyle. Enjoy your enhanced Brawl Stars experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.